The global financial crisis was unquestionably a big wake-up call for governments, for the economy, but also for academics and for researchers. Finance is so endemic to the way we live and so endemic to the economy that sometimes we forget it's there. It's hiding in plain sight. And it's not like any other sector. It is a separate sector. Therefore, we tend to treat it somewhat separately. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't have social responsibilities. It doesn't have responsibilities to help society, to provide the goods of society, rather than to look after its own and those who are key in finance, the titans of finance. And it was that realization that unintended problems can cascade out of a global financial crisis and really impact through such things as austerity on individual people who had nothing to do with the financial crash in the first place. And they become the innocent victims of this. And that seems intuitively unfair. So finance has got a responsibility for such an outcome. And I felt we had to investigate how that responsibility is to be identified and what can we do about it.